So can somebody tell me what this area looks like to you? Kayla.
A desert. Dry.
Yes, it does look like a desert, and it is very dry. So can you tell me, Janaya, what type of animal do you think you can find in this desert?
Okay. You can find.
What do you think? What kind of animal will live in a desert? Or maybe hide in the desert?
Ooh,
Hands down, we're giving Janaya a chance.
that's easy. I think that lizards hides in the desert.
Oh, lizards, okay. Dazani.
Snakes.
Snakes, very good. Kiana.
Camouflage. Iguanas.
Iguanas, okay. So we can tell that there might be some animals hiding around in this area, correct?
Yes.
What kind of camouflage, what kind of colors would you have to survive in the desert? What kind of pattern would you need to survive in the desert if you use camouflage? Amaya.
Red. I mean green.
Okay, green, because of why? Why would you need green?
Because it's a cactus, so you can hide from other predators.
Good, so one of those iguanas or lizards could be hiding in the cactus. We don't know that, but he may be so good at camouflaging that he's hiding on a cactus. Good. Lido, what else? What other colors?
I think that that an animal could use brown and like dark yellow and orange and brown in the picture because sometimes hyenas live in there sometimes and they use all those colors for hiding.
Well, we know that brown is actually a very prominent color. Or prominent means a very stand out color because look, there's so much brown. It's dry. It's hot. There's a lot of brown. There's a lot of dead leaves, and animals that are able to camouflage can hide because they are brown, or they can change their pattern to mix into that brown color. Talise.
Maybe blue. Maybe some predators are living in the sky. Maybe.
What?
No. Maybe.
I don't know. I mean, if it's a bird, maybe if it's flying, possibly. I didn't think about that. That's actually something very interesting. I didn't think about a bird. Maybe if the bird is blue and it's trying to hide from something that is trying to swoop down and eat, possibly. Okay, so we can see that there may be something camouflaging in the desert. What about here? What area is this? Kiri, what area does this look like to you?
Rainforest.
Okay, very good, a rainforest. So, Kiara, what colors or what patterns would you, let's say you were an insect or you were an animal, what colors, what patterns would you have so that you can hide away from a predator?
Green and that's it.
Green, well, there's other colors. Jazariah, thank you.
Green and.
Did you say green? What else?
And that looks like orange or yellow right there on the tree.
Very good. There are different colors. Just because this jungle or this rainforest looks like it has green, there are other colors in the rainforest. There are other different hues, different colors in the rainforest that animals can actually camouflage themselves. Imani.
Green and brown.
Brown. Okay, very good. Brown where? Brown
On the tree.
on the trees. So what kind of animals do you think will hide out in the rainforest, Imani?
I think a snake could.
Okay, a snake. Sean.
A bird.
Oh yes, actually very good. There are tropical birds that can actually hide out in the rainforest. Very good. Cameron.
Snake.
Somebody said snake. Give me another one. Come on, you can do it.
This
A fish? Okay, so if there's like a pool of water or something like that, you think that a fish will be able to hide in the water and under the water? Okay, that could possibly happen. So, Ms. Benders, you might get the lights for me, please. Thank you. So, you guys all know about camouflage. We have learned about camouflage once before. This is my friend Stanley. What kind of animal is Stanley? Excuse me. I don't know who said that, but I think it was Kiri. Please don't call out a turn. Bonnie. He is an octopus. Can somebody tell me where an octopus lives? Kiri. He lives in ocean, in the sea. So has anybody ever seen anything special about an octopus underwater? What do you think, what do you actually know about octopuses? Let's put a word of it. Janaya.
They live under the sea.
They live under the sea. What else do you know about octopus? Princess.
They change pink, green.
Oh, so you made a connection with what you read this morning for that word, correct? Can you explain that to me?
And now.
You say how? Well, what I mean is you said that they change pink and green. How do you think they do that? You made a connection with the morning bell word. How do you think the octopus changes pink and green?
Because maybe they see something pink and green, cause sometimes under the sea, some stuff can be pink and some stuff can be green.
So what
like
would you
seaweed.
call that word? What is my friend Stanley doing when he's under the water trying to change colors?
Camouflage.
Yes, he is camouflaging because he is trying to change colors to look pink or green or any of those other colors, right? You have a question?
When they trying to get away, when they don't camouflage, when they trying to get away for their enemies, they just skirt.
Oh, the ink? Also, have you seen that happen before? That's really
Not in
interesting.
real life, videos.
Okay. So yeah, that is true. When octopus are trying to either get away from someone or they're scared, they will shoot ink so that they can distract whoever scared them so they can get away. Kayla?
They have suction cups at the bottom of their tentacles, and they have little spikes in them. They try to hit somebody in the ocean.
They try to hit somebody in the ocean?
Yeah, I saw that on the video.
Oh, so they have like little suction cups or like little
Suction cups, and there's some spikes that come out of them.
That's interesting. I knew about the little suction thing. I didn't know they had spikes. That's cool. Talise?
I think octopus, I noticed that in a TV show, there was an octopus that was trying to attack with its 8 arms.
So the octopus has 8 arms. Okay, so what I'm going to do here on the board, we are going to do our KWL chart, what we know, what we want to know, and then at the end we're going to talk about what we learned. So, I already heard some really good answers. I'm sorry, what's the problem?
I can't see.
Move over here. And that will be for later. So, I heard that we know octopus has 8 tentacles, correct?
Yes.
I think that's how you spell it. I'm not really sure. That's how you spell it? Octopus has 8 tentacles. We learned that octopus use camouflage, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We learned the octopus, when it's scared, it shoots out ink.
Yes.
Octopus uses
Camouflage.
ink to get away from enemies or predators.
Whale.
I don't know about whales. I don't think whales would harm an octopus.
It would. They had fun.
Oh, nice. We learned what did you say? It was something about the spikes, or they
There's
have
spikes in their little tentacle. The suction cups. What's that?
said something else. No, we did camouflage. That was where you said pink and green in different colors. Am I missing anything on what we know about octopuses already?
Yeah.
Kiri?
Octopus. We said that the octopuses are have different hearts. Like, oh, that was something else we already said. Okay, never mind.
Okay. Lida?
I know that octopuses. That some octopuses can. The octopuses don't have teeth, so they only eat little things that are in the water.
Oh, so they octopus don't have teeth. They actually have like a little small beak. So, octopuses have, or they do not have teeth. All right. Anything else that we already know about an octopus? Janaya?
You forgot to say that octopus live under really deep.
Octopus, that very good. Thank you. See, I knew I was forgetting something. Octopuses live, you said really deep, so we'll say deep under the sea. Alright, so we do know a lot about octopus, but what would we like to learn about an octopus? Talise?
What kinds of things do they eat?
Oh, good. So what does an octopus eat? Excuse me? Kiana?
If octopus or squids are related.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, so if octopuses are related to squids. Excuse me. Jazaria?
Different colors.
Okay. Are octopuses different colors? Dizani? Do they have friends?
Yeah.
Hold on. How would you ask that question in a different way? What you mean? Do they have
Families?
or are they related to? Because Kiana just said, are they related to squids? Or were you mean like are they related to another type of sea animal? Or I'm a little confused by your question. I'm trying to see how, because I mean, octopus are not like people, so they don't have friends. They are out in the wild to survive. They eat and they sleep and. Do you mean do they get along with other animals in the wild? Maybe is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say how would we say this question?
Different animals? Do they get along with different sea animals?
Okay, so I'll try it. Okay.
Maybe if they live by themselves or do they live with other
That's a good way.
sea creatures?
Do